Welcome back. North Goa MP Shripad Naik has not received his Aadhaar card even after getting enrolled twice for the scheme. MP terms this process of Aadhaar card enrollment as chaotic. Shripad Naik along with Advocate Yatish Naik of Pilend Citizen Forum handed over a memorandum to the Principal Secretary Parimal Rai. Naik says Aadhaar cards should reach the common man before the scheme is enforced.
Member of Parliament Shripad Naik himself is awaiting his Aadhaar card even after getting enrolled twice. Naik has urged that Aadhaar card, which is essential for beneficiary schemes and subsidies, should be a hassle-free affair for people getting enrolled.
हांवें स्वता 2 वेळा फोटो दिल्ले पण म्हाका अजून आधार आमचे फॅमिली अजून आधार कार्ड येवना.
तुमकां आधार कार्ड
ना येवना म्हणून ते थोडोसो गोंधळ आसा आनी म्हणून ते आमी सीएमाच्या कानार घातला. गोवा 100% लोकांक आधार कार्ड पावले अशें जावंक जाय आनी सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिल्लें आसा की बेगीन तातूंत आपूण लक्ष घालून लीप करून सगळ्यांक आधार कार्ड पावयता. आनी म्हणून ताचे पयलीं आधार कार्ड सगळ्यांक दिवंक जाय न्ही वेवस्थीत स्किमी जर वेवस्थीत ताचो उपयोग जातलो स्किमीचो जाल्यार आधार कार्ड पयलीं जावचें पडटलें. या
तांकां आधार कार्ड नॉट सायडीक ना मेळ्ळा
ताचे पयलीं जावंक जाय पयलीं म्हणून प्रयत्न आमी करपाचो प्रयत्न करूया.
Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Pune police arrested 3 persons at Miramar who had decamped with 1.16 crore rupees from Ahmednagar. They stole the money when it was getting transported to an ATM machine. One of the accused is the driver of the van that was carrying the money to the ATM. Police have recovered more than 1 crore rupees.
दिनांक 20/7/2013 रोजी तील आरोपी नावे प्रमोद उर्फ बाळू इंगळे या आरोपींनी ATMची कॅश आहे ती कॅश शहर आणि त्यालगतच्या ग्रामीण भागामध्ये ATM मध्ये टाकण्यासाठी त्यांच्यावर असलेले कस्टोडियन आणि इतर सहकारी यांच्यासोबत कॅश घेऊन ते गेले. त्याची 1,16,00,000 रुपयाची कॅश जी त्यांची गाडी असती त्या गाडीमधून घेऊन थोड्या अंतरावर जाऊन त्या ठिकाणी जे दुसरे आरोपी होते त्याचे साथीदार त्या ठिकाणी घेऊन जाऊन त्यांनी त्या आरोपींच्या सहाय्याने मदतीने 1,16,00,000 रुपये घेऊन नेले होते. त्याचा तपासाअंती आम्ही त्याच्या ताब्यातून 1,10,00,000च्या कॅश जप्त केले. यात हे SBIचे पैसे आहेत आणि स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया आणि टाटाला आणि टाटाने दुसऱ्याला दिले.
NEET pass-out students who were denied admissions for PG courses at Goa Medical and Goa Dental College have now approached the High Court seeking relief. Petitioners have pleaded before the High Court to quash state government's decision to cancel admissions based on NEET. The High Court will hear this plea on Wednesday.
Petitioner NEET pass-out students in their petition have argued that while invalidating National Eligibility Entrance Test, the Supreme Court had not ordered to cancel the admissions based on NEET for this year. But the Goa government in an order dated 25th of July have cancelled the admission granted based on NEET for PG courses at the Goa Medical and Dental College. The petitioners have raised a question whether action of the state government contravenes the apex court's order. The petitioners have requested the High Court to quash government's order which cancelled NEET-based admissions. Candidates have sought that their admissions should be reinstated. The High Court has tagged this petition with other petitions related with this issue and will hear them on Wednesday. Meanwhile, central government is in the process to file a review petition before the Supreme Court in the NEET matter. Apex Court has invalidated the NEET held by the Medical Council of India. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Kudsade municipality demolished some of the illegal gadas in Kudsade municipal market on Monday. The municipality claims that the demolitions were following High Court's order. However, shopkeepers claim that the demolitions are selective. They claim that municipality workers charge hafta from the shopkeepers.
Illegal gadas in Kurchere market were raised on Monday. Many gadas were demolished. The shopkeepers were annoyed with this act of municipality.
महिन्या 800 रुपये आणि आता एपाट 1000 रुपये करपा जाय म्हणून भानगड चलता हिंगा कळ्ळें न्ही. हे सगळी गाडी चलताय ते म्युनिसिपालिटी मनीस येवन तांकां आठवड्या म्हयन्या घेताय तांकां पयशे हप्ते घेता ते हप्ते घेताय आनी हें कितें हें वर्सान वर्स जाता हें मोडपाचें तें कंक्रीट वर्सान वर्स हें मोडपा जाता एश मोडटाय मागीर बसोवपा आनी हप्तो वाडोवन नाल्यार पतपतून जाता कितें कोणें हे म्युनिसिपालिटी मनीस आपटे घेताय म्हणून थोडे कन्सिलर आहे तिथून देखून हे सगळे पत्ते स्टार्ट जाता
आणि त्याची
दुसरी बाजू
आमकां भोगची पडटा
तूं हिंगा आनी
मुळाचे जे व्यापारी आसात तांकां मागीर हें सगळें भोगचें पडटा
सगळे बरोबर
They claimed that few selected shops were demolished. However, engineer of Kurchare municipality, Uday Desai, claimed that the demolitions are following High Court's order.
पयलीं आमची लास्ट विका मिटींग जाल्ली त्या मिटिंगे डिसिजन जालें की जें पळय एनक्रोचमेंट आहा कुडचरे मुन्सिपल स्टेशनाक रोड सायड एरिये जें पळय आतां तितलें हायकोर्ट आयज प्रमाणे सगळें काडपाचें त्या प्रमाणे आज आमी ड्रायव्ह केला जे मॅक्झिमम जे आज तितलें कवर अप करतले उरलें जाल्यार नेक्स्ट हें करतले.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.